We want to try our best to prevent breast cancer as much as possible as we can. Okay, we want to try our best to prevent breast cancer as possible as we can and still make sure the breast is firm. Hello and welcome. In today's video, let's talk about firming our breast with olive oil. Is it true? Does it really work? Yes, so let's talk about it. So I have my olive oil here. There are different products out there. Okay, there are different products out there. So get any good olive oil of your choice. Make sure you get a good olive oil when you're getting olive oil. Go to a good shop, a good store, a good supermarket to get your olive oil. So today, let's talk about it, if it really helps firm the breast. Yes, if it really helps to firm it. Olive oil, does it firm the breast? I hear a lot of people say it's not true. All the stuff you apply to the breast, it doesn't work. You know, once a breast is falling, it's falling. It's not true. It's not true. You can do something to it. It may not really become the way it used to be. You get it? It may not really become the way it used to be before lactating, you know, like before I became pregnant, and yeah, it may not really become that way because some things also affect it. Yes, there are some factors that also affect the breast, like age. You don't expect, even if you haven't breastfeeded, you don't expect the breast of a 20 years old child to become the same with a woman of 40 years old. No, but there are things we do to it for it to look like 20 years old. Yes, because those the 20 years old, some of them said their breast is facing down. So there are things you need to do. If you are 20, you're watching this and your breast is facing down, this is also good for you because it's not just for breastfeeding mothers. Even before becoming pregnant, this is good. It's healthy. It's 100% natural. There's no side effects to it. In fact, massaging with olive oil helps a lot. Yes, so you've gotten a clue, you've gotten the answer to the question, does it help? Yes, it helps in firming the breast. Olive oil really helps in firming the breast. Good news, right? So if you've been hearing that it's not true, it's true. Once you are consistent with this, you don't need to apply a regular cream on your breast because most of these creams come with chemical. Okay, they come with chemical that are not good for our breast. You know, we want to try our best to prevent breast cancer as much as possible as we can. Okay, we want to try our best to prevent breast cancer as possible as we can and still make sure the breast is firm. Just the way sucking of the breast. Okay, now when your husband sucks your breast, you know it's good for us too. So just like the way sucking of the breast is good, also using olive oil is very good for us because when you're massaging your breast, of course you're not going to just pour the olive oil on. You're going to use to massage your breast to get that firmness which you desire. When you are doing this, when you make it a practice, if there's a lump that is there, okay, this will help you detect it fast. You know, when it comes to all these breast lumps and so on, breast cancer, early detection is very good. So we need to do our breast massage with good oil, and olive oil is one of the best oils you can call. Yes, we have coconut oil, we have almond oil and so on. So olive oil is very good for our breast. If you're looking for a firm breast, you want to keep it firm, try having this and make it your breast cream. Stop applying your regular cream to your breast. Those creams come with chemicals and they are not good for us. They are not good for us. So if you want to know if olive oil firms the breast, the answer is yes. It helps to firm your breast. It really helps to firm your breast. Just be consistent with this. Make it your breast or apply it on your breast daily. When you shower, after you've taken your bath, okay, just leave your cream aside. Leave it. Don't touch it. Use your olive oil to massage your breast and be consistent with this. Of course, it's now your breast cream, so there's nothing like be consistent with this. Just make it your breast cream. After you take your bath, just apply it on your breast and you'll see improvements. You know, all those wrinkles, all those shrinking and so on will stop. It will stop. See, it really goes a very long way to make it firm, to make it fresh, to make it firm. So if you want a firm, good looking breast, Have olive oil beside your wardrobe. So after showering, use your olive oil to massage your breast, and there's no how you won't see difference. Give it a try. There's no side effect. Why not give it a try? So let's stop saying too much. Give it a try. Just try to do this and you'll see. It will make it, those shrinking will stop. It will stop. The shrinking of the breast will stop. You'll notice that it's looking so fresh. After breastfeeding, it's kind of shrinks. The breastfeeding, the baby has really suckled the stuff and is now looking like an old man's breast. So it's a good thing. Yeah, it's a good thing. But because it's a good thing does not mean that I heard people say is the symbol of motherhood, is the symbol of this. Fine, but you still need to help yourself. Aside that, it will also help to firm your breast. Medically, it's good for you. Medically, it's good for you. Aside that, it will help to firm your breast. It will help your breast look attractive, look good. Medically, it's good for you because breast massage is very, very good for us, ladies. Breast massage is very, very good for us, and doing that with olive oil is a very good one. So I hope you're going to give it a try. I hope you're going to give it a try. Start using olive oil to massage your breast to have a beautiful, good looking breast. So, and I hope you find this helpful. Please, if you do, click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for doing that. So that is it for today on using olive oil to firm our breast. Does it work or it doesn't work? It does work. It works. It works very, very, very well. So give it a try, and if possible, get back to me. Say something in the comment section. Let me know your take. Let me know if you've used olive oil, if you are using it, if you notice any difference. So please say something in the comment section. I really appreciate that. Okay, so that is it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.